Good morning, everybody. It is your host, Rup Dogg, here with another episode of Jail to Trail, the 1-year chronicle of going from being broken in jail to being broke and homeless by choice. Today, I am happy to announce that I'm about 95% complete with my purchases of new ultralight backpacking gear for this summer and for hopefully use on the PCT next year. Today, I'm going to get into what I have spent thus far, replacing all my backpacking gear, and I'm going to tell you what's in my bag and what my base weight is. Coming up right after the break. Please stay tuned. Lots more to come. Everybody, host Rup Dogg here with you again. Before we get into this pile of gear and what it costs, I just wanted to give you a little recap of why I'm doing this channel and where I'm coming from. So up until about a year and a half ago, I was a practicing alcoholic. I spent about 22 years just partying. I did some other productive things, but I did a lot of partying. And I paid dearly for that. I lost my driver's license forever, and I had to sell my car, which was a good thing overall. Allowed me to buy this gear. But I really got myself into a bad place, to where I was flat broke. I ended up in jail, and thank God I still had a job after I got out of jail and a place to live. I got really lucky in that respect. So my story is not going to be everybody's story. For those people that go through the same things that I do, I got really lucky that I was able to come back from that lifestyle I was living. And the reason I really wanted to put this channel together is to show you, I don't care. Maybe you don't give a shit about ultralight backpacking. Maybe you don't care about hiking the PCT. That's fine. Everybody has their own passion and interests. But I just wanted to show you that no matter how far into a rut that you've gotten yourself, no matter how far down in the hole you are, you can get back to the surface. You can change your life. Every passing second is another chance to turn your life around. Don't forget that. All right, let's get into the gear. So, very first things first, what we're going to be hauling it in. I went with the Osprey Stratos 50-liter bag. This weighs a little over 3 pounds. And like I said, 50-liter bag. Has the hip pockets, lid. It's got the side access. Got the stuff pocket in the front. And to this, I added a 2-liter hydration bladder on the inside here. Also by Osprey. So, cost for the bag, $165. Hydration bladder, $40. So $205 right here for the carrying equipment. Next thing on the list is sleeping bag. Went with the North Face 1 bag. You can check out my episode on that. I did a special on that. This was $215. Weighs 3 pounds, 12 ounces at its heaviest. 2 pounds, 3 ounces at its lightest. For footwear, so far I've put together 2 pairs of Ultra Lone Peaks. Got the 4.5s and the 5s here. Let's see, $165 for both pairs. Bought one pair for $100, other pair REI garage sale for $65, brand new. So check out your, don't forget your REI garage sales. Check them out. Ice axe, $75, the Gribble Nepal self-arrest ice axe, weighs about a pound. Crampons, I went with the Black Diamond contact crampons, available at REI. They're about $130. Wasn't really able to find a discount on them, so just bit the bullet and got those. Black diamond trekking poles. These are the Distance Z aluminum. These, $100. Stuff sack not included, that's my own stuff sack. Got the MSR Pocket Rocket stove. This was something I already owned, so I'm not going to include that in the costs. But these, where do they live? About $50. Got headlamp. This is made by Milwaukee. So this is not like your typical ultralight backpacking headlamp. I work at a home improvement store. I support Milwaukee products, and this is my one piece of kit that, you know, is just going to remind me of home while I'm out there. So my Milwaukee headlamp, this was $25. Gore-Tex over mitts, got these REI garage sale as well, $30. Waterproof, windproof. Nice light hiking mitt. This baby powder, never be without it. This or Gold Bond, and I've got the duct tape wrapped around the outside of that, just for convenience. Set of storage bags, dry bags. I just got these at Target. The set of 3 was $10. In this one, we've got, I ended up going with 2 power banks. I got a 10,000 and a 5,000. Ended up getting the 10,000 on sale at Fred Meyer for $18, normally $30. So watch out for sales there, clearance sales. Got the little lipstick charger wrapped up in the bandana here. That was only $10, also Fred Meyer. Then we got the, for sleeping pad, the Thermarest Xtherm bag, or excuse me, pad. This, $175. Food storage, we got the Ursack bear bag. This was $112. It's gonna be most of my food storage for the PCT. Probably will have to invest another $50 or so into a real bear can to go through the national parks though. But $112 for the bear sack. Check out my episode on that. Then we've got the MSR MeshHouse and 3-hiker wing 70. Got all this right here. Total for this setup, $300. Of course, we've got our Deuce 2 trowel. That was about $15. Outdoor Vitals inflatable pillow. This I found on special, a Facebook special online, and I jumped on it. It was free, just pay the shipping. It cost me $10. And seems decent, it's a pillow. Got the Sawyer Squeeze water filtration system. This was $36. Weighs about half a pound. And let's see, let's check the list. So, yes. One thing I didn't mention, I haven't picked it up yet, don't have it to display. I am going to be getting the GSI cook set from our REI, the minimalist one, for $30. It's just the 2-pot set with a spork. Let's see, did I forget anything? It doesn't look that way. So, all said and done, through this list, I've so far spent about $1,650 on replacing my ultralight gear. And all this together, oh, before I go on, last couple things here. I do have a first aid kit and some emergency supplies. Got batteries and matches, lighter, first aid kit, jacket repair kit, athletic tape, and the Thermarest repair kit that comes with the Xtherm. So that's included in my base weight there too. So like I said, about $1,650 so far to replace my ultralight gear, and like I said, that's gotten me about 95% prepared for backpacking and the PCT. The next major expense that I'm looking at is probably the Garmin InReach, so another $450 there, which would bring total gear costs so far to right around $2,000 when I do procure that. So hopefully that was helpful. Get you a little list of what you can expect to spend cost-wise. Of course, you can spend a lot more money. I mean, if you want to go for a $600 tent, I mean, you can spend as much money as you want to on this project. I'm just showing you that I've put together my gear, in my opinion, pretty economically. I've found a lot of good sales, a lot of 20-25% off discounts from different websites. Highly recommend, of course, REI. Their member discount is over for the year, but 20% off from REI was awesome. Sunny Sports, they were giving away 25% off. That may still be going on. Al's Sporting Goods, that was another good place to get stuff. Outdoor Vitals, I'm liking their stuff so far. Thermarest, Amazon. There are lots of deals out there. You do not have to pay full price for your gear. And no matter what your situation, if you buckle down and live a little bit more frugally, you can pursue your passion. All right. So last thing, guys, I'm not gonna weigh this right now because I don't have my stuff prepared to go into the bag appropriately. But when I weighed my crap the other day, I came in at 16 pounds for base weight. So that's what we're looking at right now, 16 pounds and about $1,700 invested. All right, stay tuned for lots more good content. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for tuning in. Happy trails.